Hello everyone. So today we are going to work on this box carrying mechanism. So we can carry the box and drop it anywhere we need like this. So if I want, I can pick it up again. So this is what I'm going to work on today. And this is an extension of the character object interaction system we worked on so far. So we can actually have not just one, multiple boxes like this. NPC guys also can pick it up, but in the next episode I'm going to work on carrying NPCs to some other places and drop it. For now I'm going to focus on the player character, so the player will be able to carry boxes and drop anywhere he needs. Alright, so first of all, in order to implement carrying objects, we need an animation. So we have this idle animation. Let me duplicate it. MF carry. I'll name it as MF carry. MF stands for mannequin female. Right, now this is the animation. So I'll simply do some modifications to the hand. Both upper arm, let me select both upper arm L and upper arm R. Can I rotate them both? Oh, I can't rotate them both all together. So right, let me undo it. I'll have 10. Okay, 30 degrees from upper arm R. I'll do the same thing for upper arm L. 30 degrees. And lower arm. $30 this way and 30 degrees that way. So sort of like a carry in a box. Same thing for the lower arm R. 30 degrees this way and 30 degrees that way. Okay, this should be enough. Now I'll add a key for both upper arm R, upper arm L, lower arm L and lower arm R. Okay, and apply. Now this is our carrying animation. Right, now from this I'll create an animation montage. MF carrying montage. So this should be played in the upper body of the character. So we only have, we do have upper body. We select that. Right, now let's go to the mannequin animation blueprint. That should be. this one. So here we are. I have disabled control rig for now to keep things less complicated. So we are only using the default solve. So if I play this animation, I don't think it would appear. Anyway, to test it, let's play it. I'll just add a simple input, keyboard input E. I'll use B because it's carrying a box. So play anim montage. So if I select MF carrying montage, by the way, this has to be looping. So now it's looping. Okay, now did I select the animation? Yeah. If I press B, nothing happens. That's because the animation is playing in the lower body. But yeah, we need to play it in the lower, in animation is playing in the upper body. That's why we did not see. But if I make it default slot, it will play. See, but the leg work is not playing. So it has to be in the upper body. And we need to have layered animations. Right, for that, here, pause. We need to have a cache pause. Can I rename this? Forward. I'll call it base pause. And then we need to have another slot that is using this base. We need to use the base pause as the source, and then here we can select the upper body, and we need to blend this with the base pause again. We can use and process. No, we have to use layered blend per bone. So this is the base pose and this is the blend pose. Now as the branch filter layer setup, we have one member. I'll add the bone name. For upper body, I think adding the spine 3. No, spine 2 should be fine. I'll copy spine 2. Put here. And that should be come to the output pose. Now if I press B, now you see the leg work is also there and the hands are also there. Why it's not looping? Oh, I think I undid that. Okay, now the animation is correct. The character's upper body is not stable because of movement, which kind of looks bad. I'll set it to spine 3 to see if there is a difference. Not much, but we should not be running when we are carrying something. Okay, now let's create the box that needs to carry. So for that, I'll create a child object from this BP interactable actor. I'll call it BP interactable box. So I need to get a sense of scale that match with this animation. So for that, let me add this animation here and add the box, and I'll attach the box so I can't. So I'll just place it. It should be much smaller. Right, this scale seems fine. 0.4. Okay. Now, in this BP interactable box, I'll add a cube. Is the blueprint cube same size? Yeah. So I'll make it 0.4. Go to the side view. Not like this. Okay, now in the parent interactable actor, we have these events. On component begin overlap, and this E. Oh, I have E here also. So let me, this is B. We don't need this anymore. So let me remove that. Okay, now let me disable this. Start interaction and end interaction. So we can implement these two objects, these two events here. So for the start interaction, I'll add a call to the parent function also to maintain what's happening there. And then the box, by default it does have it's overlap all dynamics. Okay, it's fine. No, maybe let me just set it to no collision for now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna attach this box to this interacting character. With interacting character and get mesh. Is this an actor? Oh yeah. We need to access the mesh. Okay. Cast to character. Right now, get mesh. Oh, sorry. Get mesh. So casting is alright because we are not doing it like every frame. It's just for one key press event, so it shouldn't be a problem. So box attach actor to component. Oh wait, yeah, we don't really need to access the box. We can just call attach actor to component, and target is self. So the socket should be we need to have a socket in the middle. Therefore, which hand is less movement? Left. Okay, left hand has less movement. So here I'll add a socket. Handle socket. Okay, I'll keep the same name. And I'll move it to the middle. So it's it has some angle, but that shouldn't be a problem. Well, it can be a problem. Let me make it straight. Okay, should be good enough. Now, socket name, handle socket, location, I'll keep world, everything. And then default scene root, move component to 0 0 with is in and is out 4.3 seconds. Now this should enable us to pick up the box. Why didn't we get the notification? Sorry, I disabled the no collision for this box collider. I should have disabled collision for the cube. Yeah, box is this collider, cube is this object. Right? Okay. Now we are carrying the object. Yeah, it's not correct. So when I do that, I need to play the montage animation too. Play montage. The carry montage. Okay, cool. But one problem. It needs to have some offset. So should be alright. Since we only have the box, it should work fine, but it would be better if I add the offset within the box itself so that we can have a universal location for the handle socket when we have other types of objects that we need to carry. Okay, and perhaps we should slow down the character when it carries the objects. Oh. Set movement works. Wait, let's keep things simple. I disable running for the character. I think I did that here. No, I just set it here. Yeah. For NPC characters, I set max walk speed to 250. I'll do that for the main character also. So it looks more appropriate. Okay, now when I press E again, I should drop the box. That's what needs to happen next. So for that, tractable box. Then interaction. Wait. What's the event name? Yeah, it is end interaction. Okay. Oh, it's a montage. Okay, that's why. Right. So now I need to keep a reference to the character, so I can stop the animation montage. And it was not necessary to use this. We could just call play montage. Play any montage, yeah. But it's fine, both nodes works. I promote this to a variable character. Right, now when I want to end interaction, I'll get the character reference to be safe. I'll make it a validated get, and then stop animation montage, which is carry in animation, and return true. So we need to drop the box, and since this is a function, we can't have delays, so move component nodes like this one. So I'll add a custom event, drop box. Oh, like the website, file sharing website. Dropbox. Right here, I'll get the character, get actor location, and also get forward vector. Wait, no. Get actor. Forward vector. So I'm going to drop the box some units away in front of the character. So multiply this by, let's convert to a float. 100 units should be enough, and add to the character position. Is the character position on the ground? I don't remember actually. No, it's not on the ground, it's in the middle of the character. So we can actually do, we can have situations where the ground is uneven. So I'll just do a line trace by channel, this is a starting point and endpoint is somewhere below. Let's say 500 units down. That should be enough for tracing. Or if you want to be extra safe, like if you want to put the box some above location, you can add something positive, so we can start the trace above the characters level, but this should be fine. Okay, then break, get the hit location, and now we need to detach the actor from the mesh. Detach from actor. No, detach from component, because here we attach to component. Detach from component. No, we need detach actor from component. No. Which one? Attach actor to component. Let's do this without a parent. This does not give an error. Okay. Keyword, right? Let's test this before implementing the rest, because I'm not sure if this detach drop works. Oh, this guy decided to carry it. AI guy. No, it did not detach. Right, let's try this. Detach from actor. Oh, AI guy is coming. We need to be quicker than him. Right, that function works. Okay, so keyword, everything keyword, and then we can get the scene root, call move component to this hit location and get actor rotation split. So I'll keep only your component. Everything should be resets because the box should remain horizontal. Is in, is out, on 3. Right, take the box here, drop it. Cool. Oh, I can't carry it again. Why? This should be the reason. Alright, try again. Yeah. So I don't have a leaning down animation to start carrying the box, to pick up the box, but this should good enough. This looks cool actually. Okay, that's enough for today. So thanks for watching. As always, project files will be available for the download in the Patreon page. Link would be in the description below. And if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of the Patreon Club. See you in another episode. Goodbye.